Hey y'all, Sauce here. Um, Today I'm gonna be doing a tutorial on making a Beyblade in Fusion 360. If you don't know what Fusion 360 is, it's just a CAD modeling software, mainly used for engineering and stuff. Uh, it's a really it might look a bit intimidating when you first look at it, with all these options and things you can do. But once you get it down, making stuff is really simple. Like this Beyblade I made, Dyad Aster. All right, so yeah. Oh yeah. By the way, um, so Fusion 360 is usually it usually costs money to own the like like how Photoshop works. But if you are a student and have a student ID, you can send a picture of that to Autodesk, and you'll be able to download a education license, as you can see up here in the top left corner. I'm not sure if if the video actually shows it, but yeah, I have an education license. All right, so basically today I'm gonna be modeling a replica of Infinite Achilles using the interlock system, and just explaining what I'm doing throughout. So, starting out, in the description, I have files, STP files and .f3d files um, for the interlock system. What I recommend doing is pressing new folder right here and making a templates folder and making another folder for interlock. I have another one for DB, which is from Crazy Aries, and you can find that on his Twitter. So yeah, once you have this ready, you can select upload up here, do select files, go to the folder and import all these step files. You don't need to import these .f3d files unless you wanna do a thing I'm gonna talk about later. Alright, when you do that, open, and it'll take a little bit, and yeah, you'll have all these ready. Um, with these, what you can do is, if you have a saved project going on, just wait for that to save. There we go. You can right click on any other project you have, like even like not just templates, like all the stuff here. You can right click on stuff you have and select insert into current design. What that will do is insert everything that's in there into the project as a component, which is pretty cool. Yeah. Um, once if you do choose to do it this way, make sure you right click on the thing in the browser and select break link. Um, what links are if you edit the component in here, it will edit it back over here. So you want to break the link so you only editing it in here. Yeah. So yeah, there's that way. Alternatively, um, so for this to load, you can the F3D files from earlier I mentioned. Yeah, if you go up here and select File, Open, open from my computer. If I have three file F3D files, that are basically the sample versions of the templates. I have one for just the classic interlock with no DB, which is for the normal forged discs. One that can take forged discs and is pretty thick, and one that can, I think, take the DB forged disc as well, and you'll be able to do dual spin and flipping it. Yeah, all you do is like select it, open it, and boom, you have everything ready for you. Um, yeah, if you select the bodies, we have the faceplate, and teeth. And yeah, we're gonna pretty much start from here. So I'm gonna close this up over here, close that. So first of all, this circle here, this is just a construction circle I put. It is about, I believe it should be the diameter, has the same diameter as the wind blade from Dynamite Battle. So yeah, that can give you a pretty good uh sizing thing to work off of. Now, all right. So, like I said earlier, I'm gonna be making a replica of Infinite Achilles. So, what what you can I'm gonna start with is I'm gonna select Canvas here, do insert from my computer, um, go to downloads and select this JPEG I have. Make sure if you're gonna do a canvas, make sure you have either JPEGs or PNGs. WebP files will not work and be really weird, and you can't just rename the .webp to .png or whatever. You have to use like a dedicated thing to convert it. I usually use Easy GIF. So yeah, once you do that, you can select the I think it's the X. I don't know the X thing, and then just select that, and yeah, you'll have the Beyblade there for you to just have there all times. I'm gonna resize it a little bit so I can get a pretty good sizing. That should hmm uh there we go. I think that should be fine. I'm not gonna do the infinite sword by the way, so yeah, to save on time. Okay, we're gonna press OK. And yeah, cool. We're gonna start with this. So, first thing I'm gonna do is model this sword blade here. So, in the top left, you should have this thing called Create Sketch. Select that and select the once again select the just the bottom like grid thing here. Once you do that, you can use the thing in the top right to put your camera at the top. And what I'm gonna do is hide the base and everything. Now I'm going to trace out this blade using the various things we have here. We have lines, rectangles, circles, arcs, polygons, ellipses, etc. Um, looks like I'm gonna start from here. So I'm gonna start with a line tool. Just that about there looks right. So you're gonna place the first point, then second point. If it's the curve thing here, I like to overshoot it a little bit, and yeah, do that. And oops, do it too much. Yeah, you can always cut down later. And then see, there's like this kind of a curve here going. So I'm gonna do 3-point arc. Select that point, and let's say that point, and then this will give you a like a section of a circle to work with. And let's put the center point over like right there's good. All right. So now we have next one we have a straight shot. So let's do a line tool. Select the point there, boom, and there's another. Yeah, just keep. I'm just gonna keep continuing the lines, and yeah, I think that's looking good. And then I'm gonna close it up right there. All right, cool. We got the first shape going. We're gonna do finish sketch. And yeah, we're gonna let's have the base up again. I have the faceplate too. Now, once you, I want you. Now I'm going to select the thing we just drew and select extrude. I'm gonna and yeah, this extrude what it was just make a body out of the shape you just drew. Let's okay. All right. So yeah, we have I think yeah 950 is pretty good. Yeah, and once you have it at like the height you want, it what I do usually you can just do join, but what I usually do, I select new body instead, so I have more freedom to work with and not bound to just a big thing. All right, now let's look at the let's hide these again. So let's look at the blade again. As you can see, there's somewhat of a not a fillet. No, shoot, that's the wrong word. Sorry, a bevel going on over here. We can do that really easily by just going to our sketch, selecting the top face, and selecting chamfer in the modify section. By the way, if you don't see something using in this top thing, you can just always press this drop down menu, and which will have everything you need. So let's do chamfer, and let's chamfer this down to what lines up with the picture. Uh, hmm. That's about right. Cool. Cool. All right, so there we have pretty much the first blade done. Um, oh yeah, one other thing we can do is go to modify. If you select draft, here we can. Okay, you have to select the pull direction and the faces. The pull direction is pretty much like um an anchor of what you do, and the faces. Let's select this one. It's gonna don't worry about these ones. It'll move them. It'll move it with them. What draft will do, it will allow you to pretty much angle the face however you want. I don't actually own an infinite Achilles myself, so I looked at a video and there's like a little bit of a like an inward angle. So I'll put at a 10. I'll put 7.5. There we go, 7.5. That's good. And there we go. Yeah, we have a simple blade with a beveled edge and draft. Now so you have this curve here. What we can do here is instead of using a chamfer, we can use a fillet. Select this edge. We're gonna go back to the top view and just fillet this down just about. There's nice. Okay, yeah. And now we have a curve there, so no one's gonna get cut. Um, I could, I also do a little bit on these edges here, so just for safety. But I think it's just that one because we have a gold thing there. And just do a little bit. There we go. That that looks good. Okay, cool. There's the first blade done. All right. Now let's work on this gold thing that's going on here. So, once again, to create sketch, and hmm, let's see how let me see how this works. Okay, that's a bit of a funky shape, but I can do it. Okay, we're gonna hide the first. We're gonna hide the blade, and then let's do start with this shape first. Um, and yeah. This works. Boop, boop. We're pretty much just gonna trace everything out. And we got their curve. Let's go to a 3-point arc, and let's make a little circle there. There's a bit of a curve there, so do that. Got the curve here. All right, and let's use that like a curve. No, that's more of a it's more of a diamond thing going on. So we're gonna do that, 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 that. All right, there's a circle here, so we're gonna do a crease center diameter circle. Select the goes to about center, and that's about right. There's another thing going on. Actually, no, I'll just okay. Do that. Select there. No, we're not gonna put it there. Select there. Select there. And then finish up the shape with that. Okay, I'm not sure how well this is gonna look, but we're gonna try it. Let's start with the this funky shape that's going on. Let's open the body, just see what's going on. Select extrude. Uh, Select new body over again. Yeah, that looks about right. Okay. So there's a bevel on this gold thing as well, so we're gonna Just select chamfer. Hopefully, I'm not sure what's gonna go on with this thin place over here, but hopefully it'll last. Okay, not a lot, but it's not a lot to my liking. So let's go back. What I love about Fusion 360 is that you can always go back and there's a timeline in at the bottom of your screen, and you can go back to anything you did and edit what you did. So we can go back to the sketch. We're gonna pretty much break this up into pieces. So um let's isolate this let's isolate the circle thing here. Uh 3-point arc. Boom. Bop. Bada bing. Alright, this should work better now. Go back to the extrude, and let's only select one this time. Alright, let's see. This thing. Okay. We're gonna do a chamfer. Ooh, wait, no. Instead of selecting the face here, I'm going to be selecting just the edges, these edges around here. Hopefully this will work. Chamfer, there we go. That looks a lot better. How much does it want me to chamfer it? Like, okay, pretty much all the way. Okay, there we go. There's the first piece. Let's go into sketches. It auto hide sketches whenever you extrude them. So yeah, we gotta deal with that. Select sketch 4. Let's do this section now. Extrude. Let's extrude it to the same distance, 9 millimeters. Uh, new body. Um, and yeah. So again, I'm gonna do chamfer. Select these edges. Alright. Let's try to get it. Oop! I accidentally select that entire thing. Give me a sec. Let me try to unselect the. I screwed. Let's start over. Bop, 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 boom, pow, bop, boom, bop. Oops. Bop, bop. Unselect the face. And the inside here. Okay, cool, cool. I think that's everything. Now we're gonna do the chamfer. Hopefully we can get to the same area as the other one. Yes, we can. Ooh, way too much. And that looks, yeah, that looks right. Okay. Cool, 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 cool. Now let's go back. Let's get to this thing that's going on. Um, new extrude. We can a quick thing you can do is just select where you want it. Another face, and it'll extrude it to that face. Just do new body. Is it gonna let me select? Yeah, it will. Okay, just do that, and I think we can just select the thing and nope. Okay, let's just do the outer edge then. And no, okay, well, hmm. Okay, I guess we can work with that. I guess that can work. Okay. Now let's get this little bulb here going up. New body. Selecting new bodies is pretty much the best way to go about doing stuff. Actually, wait. I'm going to go back. Let's keep extruding this a little bit. And about there should be. Yeah, I know, 9.5. Yeah, 9.5 is good. What we're gonna do here to make that little sphere thing, we're gonna select the fillet, select the face there. See how much we can get away with. There we go. Yep, there we have. Oh, that looks about right. Again, I don't own an actually don't own an infinite Achilles, so sorry if this is inaccurate. Okay. Now now we have like a whole like the first sword done. We can start combining some stuff. Let's hide this original thing, and we can select combine over here. We'll select the target body and the tool bodies. I'm going to select this, and can I get the thing in the middle? Yes, I can. Press OK, and now this whole thing is one body. And since the thing is gold, we can press A, or just go here and press appearance on modify. Press A. Let's make this a let's make this a brass. We're gonna make it look nice. We're gonna do select brass. There we go. And in the middle, is that red? I'm not sure if it's red. I'm colorblind, so forgive me if it's not actually red. Select the red. Let's find a nice red. Um, hmm. I think the classic red paint should be fine. Glossy, style red real quick. There we go. Then we're gonna do apply to faces and select the little thing here. Zoom in real close and select this face, and boom! Now we have this thing all colored. All right, let's go here. Since we're still at the coloring, I'm gonna grab a platinum. That's not useful. There we go. And do switch back to bodies components, and there we go. It's a little lighter color. Side the thing. Actually, wait. Platinum? Do I want to use platinum, or do I want to use like aluminum? No. Titanium? I don't know. It looks fine. Okay. So yeah, there we go. The first thing done. Okay, let's. Ooh, they accidentally color. Okay, I didn't. Okay. So yeah, let's go back to canvas. Okay, for the second time, I'm just gonna skip this part in the middle, but yeah, that's pretty much how you can make the general shape. Simple thing I like to do to add more detail is I like to select the face here, like the top face on something I've already chamfered. Select extrude, go in a little bit, like 1 millimeter should. Oh, I'll do one. I'll match the chamfer. Yeah, with 1 millimeter, and then mess with the angle thing here, and now we have a cool little indent here. I usually do this mostly on like the cores and stuff. And yeah, it looks pretty cool. Um, will it show up in the print? Probably not, but hey, at least it looks cool. I'm gonna do that since that's not needed. Um, okay, so let's close the canvas, and what we're gonna do now is actually combine start putting this on the other side. So we're gonna hide the teeth and faceplate. All right, so in the create area, in the drop down in pattern, you're gonna find circular pattern. Here it wants us to select body, so we'll select these two bodies. And the axis, what we want to select is the middle one right here. This will allow us to select what kind of shape we want for the Beyblade. So if we want like a classic Achilles, we have the two-sided. If we want a Valkyrie, we got the three. That let's see. Well, let me add more. All right, there we have a four-sided Achilles, like the first one I think. And yeah, you can really just go crazy on how many things you want. Um, Yeah, for the sake of cuteness, we're gonna just do 2. Press OK. All right, cool. Now we're going to do combine. Select our have our target body be the middle one, and our tool bodies being um all the parts here that we just used. Select OK, and now we have a thing. Oop! It did not keep the. Okay, it didn't keep the appearances, but we can always go over that again later. Um, so if you noticed, the shape of the blades kind of cut into the little thing here. So a simple thing we can do is just select the thing, extrude, and just use that to cut up. Oh, huh? No target body to be found. Oh, okay. I forgot to do something really important earlier actually. Um, let's go back to before I combine those. Um, hide these things. Just gonna do a create sketch on the middle thing here. Um, actually no, we're gonna do the create sketch here. Create sketch. Okay. What we're gonna do now is going to create, project, and include. What project and include will do is allow us to pretty much select anything in the thing, and it'll, let's say we want to select one of the blades, right? We can select like the um the the top of the blade here, and then click OK. Once we have that, we can hide this, and we'll have the outline of the blade. This is useful if you want like um build on stuff, but yeah, I'm not gonna do that now. So what I'm going to do is do project, include, project, and just select the middle thing here. And okay, we're gonna finish the sketch. We're just gonna leave that sketch there, and then let's go back to the blades. We're gonna do combine again on target body, tool, 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 tool. Okay. Oh wait, no, tool, tool. There we go. And all of our detailing is gone. Cool. Anyway, okay, that's fine. So, yeah, as you see, the blades are cutting in. We get the sketch from earlier, select it, extrude. There we go. And now you have a perfect tool here and here to yeah, so we can properly put our faceplate in. Okay. Is there anything else I should add on? Oh yes. Um here's something that's not really here's some just tips you can use, not really important for this Beyblade, but yeah, something you can do is you can, on any flat surface, you can create a sketch and sketch on that. But if you wanna, say if you want to put something here, uh we want to sketch here, but you can't, because it's a curve. What we can do is select offset plane and construct, select that plane, and then use the arrow to move the plane you want to, like, to where you are going to start building. So we can put something there. And now we can use this to create a sketch, and yeah, you can build something on the edge, like of over here. Woo! Pretty useful stuff. You can do that same thing if you say you want to make a new teeth. You can yeah, you say you want to make new teeth. You can do um if we have a custom teeth model. If you want to make custom teeth, you don't want to use the two teeth thing here. And if you have that, you can go into construct, select plane at angle. We can select just the middle thing here, and move it so it's at the yeah, so it's there, and then now you have a plane here to work with. You can create a sketch. Ooh, that's a weird way to look at it. By the way, if you're making a sketch, you can select thing. You can select slice, and it'll do that for you. And yeah, you can make a just a hole, and then once again you can do circular pattern to uh this is weird. You use circular pattern to make how many teeth you want. Okay. Is there anything else I should add on? I think that should be it for what I can say right now. If you want to make a if you want to start customizing the core, um, you can. What I like to do is just like have the design up on the canvas, create a sketch on the thing, and just you know, just like before, trace out the design. That's good. We can mirror. We can use the mirror tool to select what I just drew, the mirror line. You can have the origin viewed. Select the middle thing, and yeah, you can use that. Ooh, is it gonna let me Oh, there's the problem. There we go. Yeah, you can what I like to do is just instead of doing the whole thing with the chamfers, I just extrude a little bit, then just use the angle thing to just do the chamfering beforehand, and yeah, there's a simple thing, and yeah, I think that's it. Um if there's anything else you would like me, that you would like to see a tutorial of, you can leave in the comments below. And yeah, cool. Have fun modeling and let it rip.